Hey folks, I want to demo a really simple rotator cuff exercise that I find pretty helpful. I have a history of a lot of dislocations and trauma in my shoulders, so working on that can help a lot. This is one of those exercises that I often forget about, and I remember, I'm like, oh yeah, crap, that helps. So, flex tube. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pin my elbows on the wall and turn my hands out so I'm about parallel. From here, I want to alternatingly walk up the wall with my arms, getting a little wider as I go. My goal here is to come down wide and establish that as my real challenge, and now walk in that wider position. And force my rotator cuff muscles to create more stability at the ball socket joint at multiple angles of flexion. Give it a whirl. See how that feels. Thanks kindly.